Stand in a doorway with both arms placed on the wall slightly above shoulder height. Slowly lean forward until you feel a stretch across the front of your shoulders. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Then relax and repeat. While sitting in a chair, clasp your hands behind your head. Gently arch your back and look up toward the ceiling. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the starting position and repeat. Stand with your back against a wall, keeping your elbows and wrists in contact with the wall. Slowly slide your arms upward as high as you can, maintaining contact with the wall. Lower them back down with control and repeat. Stand with your arms by your sides. Slowly pull your shoulder blades back and slightly downward. Hold the squeeze for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat the movement. Lie on your stomach on a firm surface and place a folded pillow under your chest. Extend your arms out to the sides with elbows straight and thumbs pointing toward the ceiling. Slowly raise your arms toward the ceiling while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower them back down slowly and repeat. Sit on the floor with your legs straight in front of you. Place your hands on your mid-thighs. Gently curl your head and neck toward your belly button. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then relax and repeat. Get down on your hands and knees. Tighten your abdominal muscles to stiffen the spine. While keeping your abdominal muscles tight, raise one arm and the opposite leg away from you. Hold this position for 5 seconds. Lower your arm and leg slowly and alternate sides. Tie an elastic band around a stable object and grasp the ends in each hand. Keep your forearms vertical and your elbows bent at 90 degrees at shoulder level. Pull back on the band, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Repeat the movement while maintaining control.